Hey guys, I'm going to try to pick a lock today out of the bucket. Well, the box here. A little challenge lock box all set up. Little challenge locks. And today I'm really itching to try this guy here. Pinned by Bobby Keyz. 12-10-16. Works awesome. So let's see what we can do here. I'm not picking none of these locks unless it's on camera. And if I've picked one before, I'll be sure to let you know I pre-picked it. I just don't want to waste you guys' time with another 18-minute fail video. So go with the 50 thousandths. Yeah, I haven't had time to even look at these locks. Wow, I need a bigger one. And we're going to use one of these. Alright. Ooh, already crunchy. I think that's 5. Oh, that is a huge false set. I'm worried now. What the heck was that? What was that? Might have overset something magical there. Oh, got some rotation on the core. Had rotation. Lost half that false set. That was weird. Going back in. Got that huge false set back. That wrench is turned. Oh, number 3. Yeah, that's 3. Just give me some counter rotation. Number 2. Sorry guys, I'm really concentrating on this guy. That must be a spool. Stay on it. Stuck in this huge false set and playing with this counter rotation. I'm going to try to back off a little bit. Set that guy. Okay, I lost the false set, but I think I set number 3. Going back in. Ooh, hung up. Full set. Man, well done with this quick set. I got a hard time making these quick sets into challenge locks. I thought they were so easy. Oh goodness, yeah! Pop goes the weasel. Oh. Bobby Keyz, you make a great lock. Quick set, I'm gonna have to learn from you so I can make that quick set harder. Make it a slow set. Alright, 4 minutes, I think we got time. Am I even on? Oh, sorry guys, you can't see nothing. Let me try to do this without dropping everybody. Alright. You had me worried there, Mr. Bobby Keyz. Thank you, Bronx Lockpicker, for sending me some of Bobby Keyz' magic. Okay, be sure to use the shim. I like these super thin ones. Ooh. Come on, Shim, get in there. Get in there, Shim. Shimmy, shimmy. Yeah, try a thicker one. What kind of magic is good? Oh, okay. Oh, yep, we got it. Almost pushed it right out the back door. Alright. Let's see what happens. Oh, revealed the construction screws. Alright. That went alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 5. Turn them around. Oh wow, I can already see the magic. Awesome. Pull that shim out. Whoop. Looks like it's nice serrations on there. Man. Ooh. T-pin. Wait, there's more. Perhaps it's a drunken spool. I can't get them out. Yeah, that was a drunken spool. Awesome. Oh, forgetting the springs. Come on, guy. Copper. Steel. Ah, I thought I lost him. Nice deep spool there. Copper. Try. Oh, I dropped that one. Not sure how he came up there. No. There we go. And let's go for number 5. Holy smokes. Another T-pin. That's an awesome T-pin. Copper, get back in your place. Get that other one. Alright. Well, that's good enough. Let's see what we got. Moving, shaking everything around. Let's see. Number 1 was a T-pin with 2 serrations in it. T-pin keep-in. Number 2 was a, looks like it's got 1, 2, 3 serrations, small serrations in it. 3 was another T-pin with 1 serration. 4 was a nice spool, deep spool, wide with 1 serration on the top. Standard number 5. The driver's got 1, 2, looks like 4 serrations, small serrations. Got a drunken spool there. Nice spool with 2 mini serrations. Serrated T-pin. Bunch of serrations on that. See some mediums. 5 was a bunch of fine serrations T-pin. We got copper, steel, copper, steel, copper. That's what we got there. The Bobby Keyz lock. Awesome. Awesome, Bobby. Thank you, Bronx, for sending it to me. That was really fun. Got me worried there for a minute I'd never get in. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and as always, be well and behave.